Good evening all of you. It is a snack time. Today we will see peanut butter cookies. For that following ingredients we will see that here I have taken crushed cashews. Then here we will need 3/4, I have taken 3/4 cup of maida, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon cinnamon powder I have mixed in this desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut I have taken 1/4 cup. Then honey I will take 1 tablespoon. Peanut butter half cup we will take. Sugar, powdered sugar we will need 3/4 cup. And these are all ingredients. I have taken already the maida here in this bowl. This is baking tray. I have greased that. Now I will add all these ingredients and will make a dough, proper dough, by mixing all these measurements in a bowl. Now see, I have added all the ingredients in a bowl. Now I will make a proper dough. I will bind it. If for the binding, if I need a water, I will take a little bit water and I will make a dough. After making a dough, I will add a little bit cashew. Then again I will prepare a dough. Now we will have just like dough. Okay, now what we have to do, take a lump little bit in your hand, roll it properly. Okay, you can roll on your rolling pad also with a rolling pin. Okay, but this is the easiest way. And I have here cookie stamp which children likes most, and what I will do, I'll press it to imprint it and a nice picture will appear on it. And I have made some cookies like this and I have put that on a greased tray. Okay, so do like this. Preheat your oven on 180°C on a convection mode and preheat for 10 minutes. Okay, and bake these cookies after that on the same degree, means 180°C for 15 minutes. Bake it, it will be ready, your recipe for your tea time. Thank you all of you. Now I am keeping my tray inside the microwave. I have preheated it for 15 minutes on 180°C.